Hey, it's Mike, and I want to give you an update on Kaizen Auto Holdings in the pre-market. It is up another 36% after more than doubling on Friday, up in pre-market at 827. Now, this stock on the opening on Friday was at around $3 a share, and then just rocketed up at the open at 365, then moved all the way up to 6, and then finished at the end of the day at 606. I have to thank subscriber Basely for bringing this to my attention because I wasn't watching Kaizen Auto Holdings this morning. There's just a lot of other things to watch, and I just figured the stock had doubled. Maybe it'll just pull back for a while, but the fact that it just keeps on going is just amazing. But Kaixin Auto Holdings does sort of show what happens when you have a stock that breaks through that $5 level. It's really nothing stops it really from just moving on towards the $10 mark. And that's because when a stock breaks through $5, you get a whole new level of buyer who comes in, who's usually putting in more money than what's usually being put into in these stocks. I mean, if you look at the market cap, it's at 366 million. This stock had a market cap of under like 150 million just a week ago. So, this company is definitely growing by leaps and bounds. And for those who don't know, Kaixin Auto Holdings basically owns a chain of luxury used vehicle dealerships around China. And about China is like they have a middle class that's the size of the entire United States population. They have a middle class that's about 365 million people, and they have a huge, growing upper middle class that want to have luxury cars. Of course, luxury cars are expensive, but you can get a used luxury car at a great price, and the same holds true for China. And the thing about luxury cars is that you can really mark up these vehicles because people want to buy the brand. Look right here. They have up here, I think this is a Porsche 718, I think, or Boxster. I'm not really, I think it's a 718. But for instance, like a car like this probably new is about 70 grand. I'm talking US dollars. Maybe you get one that's 4 years old for about 40 grand. And a lot of that is just, the badge recognition of having of a luxury brand. And, in China, they love luxury vehicles. So that's not going to be an issue for them to move luxury vehicles. So Kaizen's in a really great place. They have a lot of money. I don't know if their market cap being is probably going to exceed $500 million if it can justify the fact that currently they only have 14 dealerships. However, with this added market capitalization, they can open up more dealerships. China's a big country. I'm sure they can find a place to open 5 or 6 more dealerships in China, and maybe the opportunity they can expand to other Asian markets like South Korea, or what have you, and maybe even move into Europe and the United States, who knows. But I just wanted to bring this to your attention. I think it's really notable. It's very rare that you see a stock double and then it's up again big in pre-market. We'll just see what happens when it finally opens. So if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and go ahead and subscribe and turn on notifications. I do multiple daily updates on stocks, options, and stock trading strategies. Okay, thank you very much. Bye.